10 tallest people who ever lived.
Number 10. Bernard Coin.
Born on July 27, 1897, Coin is one of only 17 individuals in medical history to have stood 8 feet tall or more. The Guinness Book of World Records stated that he was refused induction into the Army in 1918 when he stood at a height of 7 feet 9 inches. Coin's World War I draft registration card dated August 29, 1918 lists his height as 8 feet, although he had reached a height of 8 feet 2 inches by the time of his death in 1921.
Number 9. Don Kohler.
Born on September 1, 1925 in USA, Kohler and his twin sister were born to parents of above average height. He started an abnormal period of growth when he was 10 years old. He was generally recognized as the tallest man in the world from at least 1969 until his death in 1981. At one time, Kohler stood 8 feet 2 inches tall, a result of the medical condition acromegalic gigantism.
Number 8. Vikas Uppal.
Born in 1986, Vikas Kumar Uppal was a native and resident of India and is said to be India's tallest man until his death in June 30, 2007 when he died during a failed brain tumor operation in Delhi, India. On January 12, 2004, the Tribune reported him to be 8 feet 3 inches tall and still growing, being in his late teens. On June 10, 2005, Rediff.com reported him to be 8 feet 10 inches tall.
Number 7. Sultan Kosin.
Born on December 10, 1982, Sultan Kosin is a Turkish farmer who holds the Guinness World Record for tallest living male at 8 feet 3 inches. Kosin lives with his parents, 3 brothers and sister who are all of normal height. He was unable to complete his education because of his height, so instead works part-time as a farmer. His growth resulted from a tumor affecting his pituitary gland. His stature is such that he must use crutches in order to walk.
Number 6. Edouard Beaupre.
Edouard was the eldest of 20 children born to his father Gaspard Beaupre and his mother Florestan in Canada. Beaupre was a circus and freak show giant, wrestler, strongman, star in Barnum and Bailey's Circus and also known as the Willow Bunch Giant. Edouard measured 7 feet 8.1 inches with arm span of 8 feet 3 inches and weight of 375 pounds. He is known as the tallest strongman as well as tallest wrestler in history. His death certificate described him as being 8 feet 3 inches tall and still growing.
Number 5. Väinö Mielirin.
Born on February 27, 1909 in Finland, Mielirin was an acromegalic giant who was at one time the world's tallest person. He stood 7 feet 3 inches at the age of 21, but experienced a second phase of growth in his late 30s, attaining a height of 8 feet 3 inches. Mielirin is considered the tallest soldier ever, having served in the Finnish Defense Forces.
Number 4. Leonid Stadnik.
Born on August 5, 1970, Stadnik was a Ukrainian man who allegedly stood at 8 feet 5 inches. Stadnik's excessive growth began after brain surgery at the age of 14, after which he developed a pituitary gland tumor that caused the gland to secrete large amounts of growth hormone. This resulted in what doctors describe as acromegalic gigantism. Stadnik died at the age of 44 on August 23, 2014 from a brain hemorrhage.
Number 3. John Carroll.
Born in 1932 in USA, Carroll suffered from severe two-dimensional spinal curvature and acromegalic gigantism. He had a standing height of 8 feet on October 14, 1959, but his height would have been 8 feet 7 inches assuming normal curvature of the spine. He was later measured at 7 feet 10.5 inches in 1968. He had shrunk in stature due to his worsening spinal condition. Carroll died in 1969 at the age of 37.
Number 2. John Rogan.
Born on February 16, 1865 in USA, John Rogan was the fourth of 12 children. Rogan began to grow very rapidly at the age of 13, leading to ankylosis. Already accustomed to walking only with the aid of crutches, by 1882, he could not stand or walk at all. He continued to grow until his death. At that time, he measured 8 feet 9 inches tall, but weighed only 175 pounds, making him the tallest person of African descent, and the second tallest person ever recorded.
Number 1. Robert Laszlo.
Also known as the Alton Giant and the Giant of Illinois, Wadlow is the tallest person in recorded history for whom there is irrefutable evidence. Born on February 22, 1918, Wadlow reached 8 feet 11.1 inches in height and weighed 439 pounds at his death at age 22. His great size and his continued growth in adulthood were due to hyperplasia of his pituitary gland, which results in an abnormally high level of human growth hormone. He showed no indication of an end to his growth even at the time of his death in 1940.